I mean, talk about a bad day that just turned into a good one. 74-year-old hitchhiker has been found alive after being struck by lightning, attacked by a grizzly bear, attacked by a pack of raccoons, and bit by a rattlesnake. She's going to be just fine. We are getting breaking news, though. The mechanics on this helicopter, we are having some issues. What is going on here, guys? Get her in there, for God's sake. We are live at Sky Fox 1, and this situation has taken a turn for the worst. I don't know if the pilot went out last night or what's going on. This poor girl is trying to be rescued. Little did she know she's signing up to train to go to the fucking moon. Wow, I feel like this is a scene out of Apollo 13. This is not good at all. She is spinning uncontrollably.